Welcome to TrueHost Academy. Wondering how to create an email account in cPanel? You've come to the right place. Setting up an email account in cPanel is a simple process that anyone can follow. Whether it's for personal or professional use, knowing how to create an email account in cPanel is a handy skill for any website owner or administrator. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an email account in cPanel. By the end, you'll be able to set up and manage your email accounts with ease and make the most of cPanel's powerful features. First, let's talk about what cPanel is. It's a user-friendly web hosting control panel that makes managing your website a breeze. Even if you're not a tech expert, with cPanel you can handle a variety of tasks like database management, file uploads, and of course email management. So why use cPanel for email management? It's easy to use, integrates seamlessly with your domain hosting, and offers robust email features like encryption, webmail access, autoresponders, and filters. Before we get started, make sure you have a registered domain name and that your hosting plan includes email functionality. These are essential for creating an email account. Now let's dive into the steps to create your email account. 1. Navigate to the email account section, log into your cPanel account, and find the email section. Click on Email Accounts to open the email account management page. 2. Create the email account. Click on the Create button. Enter the username you want before the @ symbol, select your domain, choose a secure password, and set a mailbox quota if needed. 3. Configure optional settings. You can adjust settings like mailbox quota and security features such as spam filtering or email encryption. 4. Save the settings. Click the Create Account or Save button to finalize the process. Your new email account is now ready to use. After creating your email account, you'll want to verify that it's working properly. You can access it through cPanel's webmail interface or configure it in an email client like Outlook or Apple Mail using the settings provided by your hosting provider. Managing your email account is straightforward with cPanel. You can set up email forwarders, autoresponders, and filters to streamline your email workflow. That's it! You've now successfully created an email account in cPanel and learned how to manage it. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing! Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, kindly share, comment, and subscribe for more information.